Welcome to the breaking news on Virtual Giant News Network. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos.
So if you're looking for smart ways to make money on YouTube without showing your own face, then creating an AI news channel with Hedra is one of your best shots. If you do not know what Hedra can do, then you need to watch this video to actually get to know what this new AI tool can bring on board. So if you're ready, stick around as I walk you through the step-by-step procedure on how to create an AI news channel to make money on YouTube. Stick around. Let's go. First, you need to create your AI news anchor. So you head over to hedra.com with your browser. And please don't forget that at the time of making this video, Hedra is still free. Tap on drop down at the top right corner and select create. Scroll down and locate character, and underneath character you would find a small rectangular box that says describe your character. Yes, that is where we're going to place our prompt to generate our AI news anchor. My prompt was simple and you can find it in the description of this video. I said generate a black female news anchor, and here is the result. Now we need a news item to be read, so you head over to googlenews.com and then search for trending news. I want a news on artificial intelligence, so I select the technology section and then choose any news item bordering on artificial intelligence. Make sure to rewrite the copied news with ChatGPT or Quillbot to avoid copyright strike. This news item appeals to me most, so I will copy the headlines plus the news itself and then rewrite it. Now let's head back to Hedra and make our AI news anchor talk. Paste the rewritten news item in the box under audio. Now you insert the AI news anchor you generated into where the character button is. So you select it from your gallery and it will appear here. Next is to select a voice for our AI news anchor. Underneath the pasted text, click on the drop-down arrow and select the voice that suits your AI news anchor. I think the voice of Matilda will suit my AI news anchor, so I'll select that and then scroll downwards. Locate and tap on Generate Video and wait on Hedra AI to transform your still photo into a talking image. Hedra has finished working on our photo, so we need to head over to CapCut and do the finishing stages there. Open your CapCut, go to New Project, and select Library. Go over to Transitions, scroll up and select the breaking news. Tap on Add and bring it over to the main canvas. Take a screenshot because it will be used as the background of our AI news channel. Make sure to cut off unwanted portions of our breaking news video. Import the screenshot you took moments ago onto the timeline and feel free to drag the image as long as it will suit the length of your video. Next is to bring in your breaking news live animated icon. I got mine from canva.com. You can find some at your favorite stock image website. Make sure to bring it in as an overlay and locate remove BG from the icons underneath there because mine came with a green background and I have to do away with that. So after selecting remove BG, go to chroma key and then choose the color picker to green, and voila, the green background is gone. Pinch and resize with 2 fingers and place it at the desired position. It's time to bring in our news anchor, so tap on overlay and then bring in the video you generated with Hedra. Now locate remove BG from the tabs underneath and then go for auto removal. You'd see that the background of our AI news anchor would vanish. Pinch with 2 fingers and move it to a preferable position. Make sure to drag the video background to match up the length of our talking news anchor. With a breaking news live animation, you would have to duplicate it several times because it is a video, you can't drag it. So now we have to add the breaking news music score to our video. So you locate sound, tap on it and select the folder besides the fire symbol. Move to device and scroll through to select the music. I will split the music into two, the first part for the intro and then the next for the main news, and as well add a fade in to that of the main news so as to ensure a smooth transition of the music from the introduction to the main news. I will then decrease the volume of the second portion of the video, bring it to the barest minimum so that whatever the news anchor reads, we can hear it properly. I will then cut off the unwanted part of the audio from the very end. Now let's see how our AI news channel looks.
Hi, my name is Virtual Giant, and welcome to the news at 10. Here are the headlines. Quantum computing begins with $55 billion in worldwide investments. 10 ways accountants are using artificial intelligence to minimize workload. Now the details. The anticipation for quantum computing is high, but its practical realization is still pending. Recent investments by leading nations like China exceed $55 billion, signaling progress. Despite a current market value surpassing $1 billion 2024, quantum computers remain largely unutilized.